Nestled on the eastern shore of Lake Como in northern Italy, there was a picturesque village named Varenna. Surrounded by lush green mountains and bathed in the serene beauty of the lake, Varenna possessed an enchanting charm that captured the hearts of all who visited. Legend has it that Varenna was founded by fishermen in ancient times. Its strategic location and abundant natural resources made it an ideal settlement. As the village grew, it flourished into a vibrant community, with families weaving their lives around the lake and the surrounding landscape. Over the centuries, Varenna witnessed the rise and fall of various empires and kingdoms. It endured the Roman era, the medieval period, and the Renaissance, each leaving its mark on the village's architecture and culture. Varenna's cobbled streets, narrow alleys, and colorful buildings reflected the rich history that unfolded within its boundaries. One of the most famous landmarks in Varenna is the Villa Monastero, a magnificent villa that dates back to the 12th century. Originally a Cistercian convent, it was later transformed into an aristocratic residence, showcasing beautiful gardens, frescoed halls, and stunning lake views. The villa became a cultural hub, attracting artists, writers, and intellectuals who found inspiration in Varenna's tranquility. Another gem of Varenna is the Vizio Castle, perched atop a hill overlooking the village. Built in the 11th century as a defensive fortress, it offered a strategic vantage point to guard against potential invasions. Today, visitors can explore the castle's ruins and admire breathtaking panoramas of Lake Como. Varenna's allure also lies in its close-knit community and warm hospitality. The villagers took pride in preserving their traditions, including the annual festival, held in honor of the patron saint of Varenna. During this celebration, the streets came alive with music, dance, and delicious local delicacies, creating a vibrant atmosphere that united both locals and visitors. Tourism became an integral part of Varenna's identity, as people from around the world discovered its unspoiled beauty. Visitors were drawn to the village's idyllic waterfront, where colorful fishing boats bobbed on the gentle waves, and small cafes offered authentic Italian cuisine. The narrow lanes of Varenna invited exploration, revealing hidden treasures like artisanal shops, gelaterias, and charming bed and breakfasts. Today, Varenna continues to enchant visitors with its timeless appeal. It remains a haven for those seeking tranquility, natural beauty, and a glimpse into Italy's past. The village stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of its people and their commitment to preserving the heritage that defines Varenna.